Nobody taught us how to handle money the right way, but that changes today and now. Hey, my name is Unice. Welcome to Untangling Money with Unice, episode 1. I'm so much excited that you're here, and I'm excited to do this. I'm starting this because I got tired of figuring out money by myself and figuring it out the hard way. I made mistakes that I didn't have to make. I stressed over things I could have avoided if someone had just explained to me clearly. So what I decided to learn properly, and where I'm at it, I'm bringing you along, because this is the thing. Regular people like you and me deserve a clear money talk, not any confusing foreign finance language. I'm not here to sell you a course. It's just straight information that will actually help you. You should expect is on this channel, I'll show you what I'm learning about money, saving tips, be it budgeting tips, be it investment. I am here to make you understand that saving doesn't have to be so much restricted. I'll teach you the investment basics that actually make sense and how to make all those portfolios, getting organized with your money that will actually work for you and not against you. So I'm learning that as I go. I'm sharing all this, and you should expect transparency and progress. This type of content resonated with you and you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you follow me, subscribe, and I would love that.